Hello viewers, in this video we are going to look at how to remove the activate Windows watermark in here. Alright, so without removing the activate Windows watermark, we wouldn't be able to make vital customizations or personalizations to our PC or computers, and as such we need to find a way to activate our Windows 10. Alright, so this is how we are going to go about it. First and foremost, you need a website which will help us in doing that. So this is the website. It's called GitHub. So when you move into GitHub, you come and then copy the batch file over here, which you'll be using in the activation. So right here you will see copy raw content. So you click on that to copy the batch file, and then you move on. Alright, so after copying it, what to do next is to right click on the free space and then click on new, then you select text document. So after taking text document, you double click into it and then click on Ctrl V to paste the batch file you copied. So here you have it. So after pasting it, you go to file and then select save as. Alright, so after selecting save as, the file name should be activator.bat. So activator.bat, activator.bat, and for the save as type, you select all files. So after selecting all files, you click on save, and mind you, we are saving the batch file onto our desktop. So if yours isn't located on desktop, you kindly place it there. So afterwards, you click on save. So right here, then you get your activator. So this is your activator. So what you have to do next is to right click on it and run it as administrator. So run it as administrator. So here they're asking you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So you select yes. Then in here you realize that they are telling you Windows 10 is activating. So you wait till everything becomes successful and you'll be asked to restart. Alright, so right here we are being told that product activated successfully, and this means that your Windows 10 has been successfully activated and the watermark will be removed from there permanently. Alright, so the link to this batch file will be located in the description of this video, so do want to check it out if you would like to use it. Yeah, so this brings us to the end of this video.